Hey everyone, look where I am. Oh, it's so awesome. I could just cry. Yeah, I'm at a park. It's a forest preserve park, not a state park, but close enough. All the other, the ones that are close are not open. So I took a chance, and since I was coming through here, I saw, oh, I'm going to stop at one of my favorite forest preserves. So, yeah, I'm talking like a weirdo, but I'm like all giddy and stuff. And there's that creepy farmhouse across the street. You see it? Yep. It's a beautiful day for a stroll in the park. Finally, getting some air while I'm smoking a cigarette. God, it feels so good. Yes. They don't have the food right yet, I guess, in the year. But out here on the where that pile of rocks is the pump house is right there, and it pumps water out there, and it makes a fountain. Which sometimes gets you when they cook too, because it spits out. Yeah, and there's a winding, like a pond, and I remember when none of this stuff was here, man, when I was a kid. And then you couldn't even hardly get to the pond. They didn't, cut around it really close. It was like that's a like a rodeo. What do you call rodeo? Where they have the horses? A long time ago that wasn't there. The only pavilion that was here was that one over there. It's attached to a building, and you can have like parties and whatever and cooking. I think there's like stoves or something in there. I forget. And I was hoping more of the flowery trees were blooming, but I only see that one. Oh, and there's some over there by the old outhouses, old bathrooms that they used to have. And that's it. Out here in the country. So yeah, I went to like so many dumpsters, and there's nothing in any of them. They got a little bit of candy, chocolates and such. And I couldn't get like all of them because it's too tall, and I didn't have a stool or anything like that. Yeah, I think this used to like, okay, there's a big hill. I'm gonna show it to you in a little while here. It takes a while to get over there. It's a doggy. Okay, a goose. They're everywhere here. I don't know why they call them Canadian geese when they're never in Canada. They must have did some work over here. I don't remember what it used to be. I think there was a grove of trees, like a small, kind of like all that jazz. So they must have cleared it. Oh, I hope they didn't. Okay, wait. Okay, you got. There's like, we call them lucky Kentucky bean trees. Lucky Kentucky beans. Let me go see if there's any. I hope I don't step in dog poop, as I can't see because of the sun. Oh, this grass is thick. Yeah, they did it in the past couple decades. They did a lot of what do you call it, like renovating, fixing this place up, because it was a hot mess for a long time. There's a show from one. Maybe it wasn't this tree. Maybe they tore it down. It was around here. Cause I got some last time. They're all walnut ones over here. Wait a minute. No, I think they tore it down. Oh no, that sucks. I was the only one that I knew of around here. Okay, let's go over to the hill. I don't have a tripod or anything, so that's why everything's shaky. Oh, lumpy. Alright, let's see. we call this, well, so it used to be a designated sledding hill, right? But I felt like that was coming up behind me. Oh, you can't drive around, that sucks. There's a driving path goes back there, and there's like little ponds and stuff. I don't know if they still do it, but they closed it off. This road, I don't know if I can tell. I can't tell where I'm pointing, but on here. I should have just parked over here. Alright, so see if I can see it. Okay. Can I zoom in? I don't even know. Did I zoom? I can't see. Alright. If I could, like. There we go. Okay, wait. Trying to hold it steady. Where to go? There. No, I can't tell where I'm pointing it. It's too bright. Oh. And my hand is shaking because of the wind. Wait, no, that's the... Okay, well, where that big gap is, if you could see it, it's really tall hill, and in the winter, everybody used to take their toboggan and sleds and excuse me, and stuff like that, and go down that hill, which is really hard to climb in the winter. There's a guy out there now. Wait, am I pointing? Yeah, okay. I don't know what he's doing. Oh, he's walking the dog. Anyway, and it used to, I haven't found like actual historical fact that this was supposedly an old garbage dump from probably the early 1900s, because it's like really far away from the city, so they'd bring it out here. I should say really far away from the town. It's not really a huge city at the time. Okay, so hardly anybody. Well, they had like a, you know, it's downtown. They have a little downtown, and I grew up here up until junior high. And I hope you don't hear the wind too much on this microphone. Yeah. All of a sudden just picked up. Here's another view. I wish I could hold this thing still. I don't know why they have this chained off for. It looks like there's something written here. Written on the ground. Maybe. What does it say? Oh, somebody tagged it. Somebody tagged the road. Are you serious? Okay, what's it say? I think it's just chalk, so probably will take us, or sorry, like us on Facebook. What's that say? IG? I think they mean if. No, wait. I don't know what that says. At Kendall County Forests, tag us in your photos. And there's like, looks like a butterfly over there, and then I can't tell what these other things are. I think it's a bee? I don't know. Anyway, just wanted to see what that was all about. Let's see. Oh, mud. Great. I don't want to look at that. Okay. So yeah, back to the excuse me. When it's windy and out here, it dries up my mouth so bad. Oh, little puddle of goop here. Goop, goop, goop. Wait a minute. I think that's one of the lucky bean trees. I want to go there and see if there's any yellow. Oh look! There's 2 ducks in this little pond. Oh my gosh. Quack, quack, quack. I can't do it. I wish I had my duck call. Oh, here's another tag. One. Can't read this one. Jump through the puddle. That's cute. Oh no, they're walking away. Don't walk away. Come back. Oh, they're so cute. I love duckies. Little ducky, mellow duckies. Okay, so I'm getting closer to the hill. Finally, it doesn't look so big when you get closer to it. It's really weird. It's like a reverse illusion type thing, I guess that you call it. Oh, there's little white flowers blooming everywhere. Oh, I don't know what they are though. Let's see. Oh, there's some right here. Some little white. Is it blurry or is it just me? There we go. Little white flowers. I love nature. Nature's awesome until that something bites you or stings you or kills you or crawls in your ear. That's my worst nightmare. Oops. What's this say? No horses allowed. Okay. There's a lot of traffic because there's like a highway not too far away from here. Ugh. My pants keep falling down. I don't remember this trail being in here. It's supposed to be it smells so good out here. Breathing in some nature. Breathing in some nature. Yeah, boy. And I'm a weirdo. Welcome to my weirdness. I gotta cut down trees. Like, shouldn't they remove them after they cut them down? You know? Looks sloppy. Clean up your place. Gee whiz. I'm looking for more flowers. And that's all I can see. The little purple violets so far. And because they're like everywhere. They're in my yard. My mom hates them. She keeps trying to kill them. That and oh, damn sticks. That and dandelions. Oh, I'm so tired, guys. I've been awake forever. I think it's, I don't know what time. Probably almost 9, around there. I've been driving around. A lot of traffic today. Oh, not so much at the beginning, but man, that's a funky looking fungus. Fungus among us. Oh, a little creek. Must feed the pond. That is cool. Silver Springs, one of my favorite parks, is still not open because it's a state park, and our crappy governor, I'm saying nice thing, I have better words, but yeah, he's not opening anything. Then I just heard on the radio, okay, as I was pulling in, I parked the car, and they were saying he might be reversing stuff. I'm like, oh, are you serious? Are they gonna reclose everything? Because they opened some stuff and not the other. Oh, look at these. Guys, that is so cool. It's like a burgundy. Beautiful. I don't know what it is though. I should bring like or buy a book of like flowers or something. And oh, I wasn't looking down. Oh. Gotta look down. Alright. Of flowers, and like figure out what some of these flowers are. They're really cool. A lot of those little burgundy ones. I don't know what they are. Yeah, that must be something new because I swear I don't remember them. Of course, I usually come later in the year, so they might be like, withering dead by then. I usually come later in the year, like around beginning of summer, June, July. Then it's really buggy. Then it's really nice right now because it's like hardly any. I mean, 1 or 2 bugs so far. Oh, this is a really nice little. So pretty. I wish it was quieter out here, no traffic, because it would really sound cool. Can't hear the water. Oh, here's traffic. Everybody heading to places. Yeah, so Starved Rock is one of my other favorite ones, but that's really far away from where I live. Silver Springs not open. All the classified state parks, I guess, or what they are not reopening yet. But apparently forest reserves are. Doesn't make no sense. But these writs are tripping me up, and I have no idea where I'm going. I really wasn't prepared for this. It just was like I haven't been anywhere in like, besides like maybe Walmart a couple times. I haven't been anywhere, I haven't even been to Amsterdam or nothing. So, this is an awesome treat for me. Plus, I needed the exercise. God, I must have gained like 5 more pounds. It's so horrible. I don't even eat that much. But, oh, damn. I'm out of shape, boy. I got this really heavy jacket. It's like literally like the weight of it is heavy. So, that's pretty cool, huh? I hear a dog. Dang. It's like a hunting dog or something. Oh, wait a minute. I know where I am. I found a geocache around here somewhere. What was that? Oh, no, I didn't find that one. I never found it. Sometimes they get lost or washed away. A tree falls. That it could be in a tree. Could be under a tree. After that, logs move. People use like logs for geocache and stuff like that. Whew. I was thinking about looking for some today, but I don't know what I want to do yet. I might take a nap. So I've been awake for, I think I got up at 5, but I woke up a couple times for that. Damn stick made me sound like I farted. These shoes have these like ruby things. So sometimes when I step, I might drag my foot across something, it goes. So yeah, anyway. Fire talk. Yeah, that's a good topic. But, oh look, here's another one. If it's sunny, okay, I get it. If it's sunny, look for turtle. I guess, look for turtles. Oh, they mean in the pond, okay. Oh, there's some like lily pads. I don't see no frogs. Frogs. Turtles yet. Something moved over there, but it could have been anything. They probably won't show up. Wait a minute. There's one right there on the log. Oh my gosh. Let's see if I can zoom in on it. Oh, wrong way. See him? I can't hold the. When I do magnification, it really looks shaky. But he's sitting there right there on the log, bathing in the sun, just like that thing said. It's so funny. Cool. Alright, let's put this back. Oh my god, the freaking frog! Oh my gosh, you guys. I almost had a heart attack. I wasn't expecting a frog to jump out from right where I'm standing. Holy macaroni. I almost said the F word. Did I? I don't know. Frog? Is that the same thing? Oh, frog it. Yeah, but he's still over there. Oh, there's another one over there too. Right. Wait a minute. Let me see if I can see my finger. Hold on. I'm trying to point him out. I can't see because of the sun. Over there somewhere. Or no, not that log. Am I pointing at the wrong log? I can't see like anything. Wait. Like, right there? Yeah, something like that. Okay. So, moving on. Well, at least, yeah, I'm getting exercise. Out in this fresh air, and I'm sweating because I got this heavy coat on. This is a little bit chillier this morning. Woo! Oh, I think there would still be a pavilion here, a little one, and they must have tore it down. See, it's gone. Look at this. Look how they did the rocks. Slip and slide. You can actually hear it bubbling over the rocks. Sounds actually really relaxing. Kind of want to lay here. But then there'll be some weird guy. Well, actually, there'll be like, there's some weird girl laying down there by the creek. Ooh, man, I'm frying up. You could tell like how it used to be here. Probably right over there and then came this way. That's how it used to be. That's why they have this little parking spots. Well, there used to be bigger parking spots, I guess, over there. And I guess we'll finish this trail and go back to the car. I kind of cut through. I didn't go the road part. I cut through the woods. I didn't go through the rest of it. I'm dying of thirst. And all I have is mochas with, I bought a couple mochas at the store. Should have bought one, and bought a regular soda or something. It's like weird, creepy mud. What do you call that? Prehistoric mud pit. Mini, very small dinosaurs. Oh, that breeze feels so good. Yeah. I wish I had somebody to walk with. It's really boring sitting here talking to my phone. Yeah, pretty boring talking to a phone. I could go live, but not on this phone. I have to do the other one. Yeah, these trees, they're creaking, and when they rub against each other, it sounds really creepy. I think it's that one up there. When they start swaying, they go creak and real loud. Oh, it's not doing it now. There. It did it. It sounds like a creaky door, like seriously, like one of those like really creepy old mansions. There's a nice patch of little white flowers. Yep. Oh, the breeze is coming up this hill. Looks like a I can't talk. Dry creek bed somewhere over here. Oh, there's a little part of the creek. Looks like mostly dry. Looks like over there. Oh, there's some flowers, but they're way over. I don't think I can get over there. I think they're purple. Yeah. There's a field in another park, well, near another park that's outside my town. And it has a big field of purple flowers. But then these people were trying to petition again to have them all killed off. And I'm like, why? I'm like, they're beautiful. They're not hurting anything. It was like a meadow that nobody uses, you know? And I was like, it's awesome. I walked through a little part of it once. I took pictures and stuff, just enjoying the sounds of nature. And I don't know why they would want to destroy something that's so nice. Human beings suck sometimes. And look at this tree. Whoa, this tree is massive. I forgot about this massive tree. That's all. It looks like a lot of it died and fell off, or they cut it. Yeah, that is a massive. Some just fell on the face. Ew. That is Oh, I found some bugs where they found me. Get the heck! Mosquito already? Really? Oh, one thing I hate about when it warms up. This tree it's got to be one of the oldest ones in this whole. Dang, that thing is huge. It looks like a family of anything could live in that. Like Winnie the Pooh or some owl. What's this thing? Oh, there's this thing over here that tells. Oh no, it's I thought it was one of those historic things, but I don't even know why they have that here. One way to another. Oh, never mind. False alarm. All right, let's go through the mud. Fun times. Oh, I hear a woodpecker. Oh, ew. Some more violets and white. I guess those are white violets. No, the leaves are different. No. This is really gross. It's like soft and spongy and blah. Man, this video, I've been blabbering for almost 25 minutes. Blah, 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 blah. I've never been back here. Let's see. Oh, there's a bridge. Let's see. No motor. Ah! I hope I don't get pooped on, seriously. I hate that. Please don't poop on me, birdies. Of course, I do need a shower anyway, so. Oh, are these like a different shade? Yeah, I don't know if you can see it, but they're the same like white flowers, but they turning purple. Those ones are light, like a lavender. Oh, I saw some yellow. Oh, there's some yellow ones. No, let me see. Oh, they're like. I got an itch on my leg, man. I didn't get bit by a mosquito. They're like yellow. This crow won't shut up. Get up! You're ruining my whole experience here. Oh, I'm hungry. Yep, didn't eat yet today, so that, what's that? Ooh, this one's like a little bit faster moving creek. You know when they put these big wooden things up, like, what are you gonna do, drown in this inch of water? Oh, you can cross those with it. You know, you go across the logs. Which I used to do when I was a kid all the time. Probably wouldn't do that now because I'll probably fall. Because I'm shaking all the time. Look at that. How clear that water. Well, it's sort of clear. I mean, if I had to, I would probably drink it, but I would boil it. Like, what if you're stuck in the middle of nowhere, like in the woods, deep, deep woods somewhere, and you can't find your way out? So you end up having to stay there, right? Oh, sorry, I hit my zipper on the thing. And, like, you didn't have any of the utensils, like, you need to purify the water. I always wondered about that. Here they are. Look, these are the ones I was talking about. There used to be the field of these kind of flowers. I'm pretty sure it's the same ones. Oh, no, these aren't the same ones. These are like bluebells. I think they're like bluebells or whatever. Ugh, so pretty. Oh, I'm standing in the sun here. Oh, purpley. I love these. I love watching hummingbirds eat from them, get the nectar. There's a whole bunch of them. So pretty. But the ones that were in the other field. Ooh, what the heck? Stop dragging your feet, April. Lift them up. Okay. Thank you, Sarge. I'm gonna show you this fungus over here. These, whatever you call them, things that grow on trees. It's a fungus. I don't know what the name of it is. And, I'm gonna get over here. Oh. Sorry if I'm moving this camera around. Oh, check him out, man. Look at this. Trying to do a size comparison, but my hands are small, so. So cool. Look at the newer ones coming out. Boop. Hi, I'm a baby. That one's in the shape of a heart. No way. Can you see it? Wait. Can you see how it's in the shape of a heart? This one right here. That is super cool. Oh, there's a lot of rotting trees around here. Oh, look, there's some more on this side, other side of the tree. It's like some kind of fairy tale thing. Oh, so cute. Can I hop on them? Like, oh, I'm right there too. That's cool. There's something living in that tree. You might start to see. All this fungus is like getting to my brain. Okay. Oh, stupid baby tree. Yeah. I hope there's nothing poisonous I'm sipping it. Alright. Alright. Don't leave the trail. Wait a minute. Did I come from that way? Oh no. I'm lost forever. No. It's this way. Alright. Into the creek. Where are all these creeks come from? They block your view with all these stupid board things. Ugh, it's so annoying. I'll go down here. Look. Ew, it's got like silt. That's actually pretty cool. It looks like the stuff that you can buy and like mold it into something. No fish. Not even a minnow. Whoa. Oh man, I'm cutting down some more trees. I thought it was the first preserve, not a harvest some firewood reserve. I took a big tumble after they cut it down too. Wonder why they did that. Guess it fell in the way. Whoa. Okay. That explains. I couldn't see it from back there. Wow. Must have been the heaviness of the top. Hold it. Let me see if I can show you how deep this is. Oh, I can't really tell. But yeah. Dang. It has mushrooms growing on it too. Whoa, there's a giant bird flying through here. What is it? What was that thing? It's gonna eat people. It's gonna come along and get your children. It's actually happened before. It's crazy. I wish those crows would go away. You know that a group of more than one or two, whatever, crows is called a murder. Sounds like they're murdering somebody. I can see why they call it a murder. Yeah. We gangster. We gangster crows. We get together and murder. We murder. Gangster style. I wish I had a cigarette with me right now. I don't know why I did it. I don't need one. What am I talking about? I'm going to try to quit, actually. I'm trying to quit. I really do need to try to quit. I have no idea where I am, man. I've never been back here. In this neck of the woods. Oh, my legs are getting tired. I'm not used to doing much but walking around my house, which isn't even that big. God, it's so gorgeous. Look at this. The sun hitting all the trees. Here, I was showing you the dark side. And all of a sudden, the crows shut up. That's weird. Like, I'll be talking about them and shit. Y'all run away. Or fly away. So pretty. And if it wasn't for all the vehicles, I can't think of any other forest preserves that I can get to, like, without driving a million miles. This tree's pretty cool too. Look at that! There's that bird again. What is it? Is it an eagle? No way. I think it's an eagle. Hold on, let me see if I can sneak up on it. Yeah, I know where there's a dead ferret. They land in that tree, like over there, but I can't see. Oh, I don't want to crack the goes the wrong way. Oh, there's no trail. Oh, I want him to come over here so bad. That'd be so cool. Here he goes again. Oh, he went the other way. Ah, I can't see him. Dang it. I wanted to see an eagle. You know, I've never seen a bald eagle in, like, real life. I've seen a different kind of eagle when I was down. Got my throat. When I was down in, what the heck is that? He must have flown to the back of the forest. But anyway, when I went to Arizona, there's this place called, oh shoot, I just went blank. Desert Museum of Nogales. No, wait. I can't remember now. Anyway, yeah, well, it basically was like desert animals. Some weren't really that desert animals, but, and then they had like the whole a thing that you go down underground. It's like about dinosaurs and the different periods of like when what certain dinosaurs are. There's something right here. Is that a deer track? I don't see a nut. Wait a minute. No. I think somebody must have had like one of those walking stick cane things. Anyway, and yeah, it showed like different periods, like Mesozoic and all that. And then it had like these cool underground Richter scales, and you can like watch that, see how much movement is happening. And it had like ones for Hawaii. Oh, that scared me. One's for Hawaii, and there's some out in the middle of like the Pacific or something. And then California ones, I don't know, I don't remember where they all were, but they were from all over the world, and it was really cool to watch. And watching the actual time, it recording any movement, vibrations, things like that. It's really cool. Anyway, and then there was like the zoo part where they had like groundhogs. No, sorry, it wasn't groundhogs. Prairie dogs. They had prairie dogs because they're like everywhere, I guess, down there. I have no idea where I am. What is that white building over there? I must be at the back of the park. What was I saying? Oh, prairie dogs. Some kind of mountain lion. They had like a whole bunch. I can't think of them all. It was so long. It was like 1990 or something. When I was there. So it's probably changed a lot since then. I probably don't have anything like they did when I was there. More of those little cute things. I don't even want to walk back to the car. I'm tired. Oh, you know what? I think I'm by. Oh my god! I walked all the way over here. I walked all the way to where the fairgrounds is. Okay, time to turn around. This is way too far. I feel like it's probably over a mile. My underwear won't stay open. So anyway, yeah, and they had like some kind of a eagle that like flashed the desert, but it wasn't a bald eagle. I think it had a brown head, so it might have been like what do they call those? Brown eagles? Desert eagle? I don't know. I'll have to look that up. I forget because it's been 30, whatever years. I'm old. Yeah, that was really cool. And it's hot there. It is. It's Arizona though. That's why. I think I'm getting tired. I'm going. I don't even know what I'm talking about. Like dementia or something. I've got early onset tired induced dementia. And my throat is dry too. I'm talking too much. Alright, I'm gonna put my mute button on myself, and you can just listen to whatever me walking, wind blowing through the microphone and all that stuff, okay? I need to take a break because my mouth is like really dry. It's all puckery. No, I'm kidding. Alright, time for silence. Go like this. Yeah. No, handshakes. Not to do that. Okay, shh. Okay, stop talking. Sorry guys, I'm sticking up muddy. Ugh. Mud. Ugh. I think I hear a baby bird. The other one. No, I made it back to the road. Now it's another half a mile to the car. Whew. Got so much mud on my feet. Oh. My mom's gonna spaz when I get mud in her car. Oh my goodness, I didn't know I was so much stuck. I wonder how I was slipping and sliding everywhere. Alright. Oh, here's another one of those tag things. It says, take time to stop and listen. And they drew a, I guess that's a reindeer. But if I stand there and stop to listen, all I hear is cars. So, yeah. Not really the best place for this little message. I just like semis and shit going by. That's all I hear. Whew. Air. There wasn't enough back there. There's no wind. Look at this massive tree, guys. It just keeps raging and raging and raging and raging. There's a well there. This spigot thing, tap or whatever you want to call it. Excuse me. How about the belches? I don't feel still very good today. Right now. Ooh. Guess I should go home and eat something. Eat something! I don't want to. Oh, they got baby dog. Or baby goose, sorry, my bad. What was it? See if I can get close enough. They get spooked real easy. They're already heading into the water because they saw me and hear me. I want to see the baby goose. Oh my goodness. There's only one. Guess the other ones didn't make it. That's sad. I thought they always had more than one. Most of the time. No, they're gonna get in the water so I can't see them. Look, wait, there's something else. What's that thing in the water? Well, anyway, here's the, can you see them? Little geese, or there's one little goose thing. See if you see it right behind Mama there. See, the motorcycles make so much noise and shit. So annoying. Well, they're grazing. I'm not gonna bother them. Plus, it's too far away and it's all mud. My legs are dragging. There's a thing. It's going in or out. In, I guess. That's weird. Oh. Okay. Well, I guess I'm gonna end this video. I'm almost to the vehicles over there. It's still a long walk, even though it looks like it's really close. But, alright, see you guys later. Thanks for watching, and I'll be uploading a couple more videos soon. So, see you when you see ya. Bye!